Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English Arsenal, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Josh.
Hi, Josh. It's so good to be here today. How are you?
I'm great, Jenny. Thank you. How are you?
I am a little hungry, Josh.
Hungry already?
Yes, I'm thinking about food. A big hamburger, fries, a big soda.
Wow, Jenny, that sounds delicious. You are making me hungry now, too.
Sorry, but it is a good idea for our podcast today.
Oh, that's a perfect idea. Let's talk about food. Let's talk about going to a restaurant.
Yes, a restaurant. Going to a restaurant and speaking English. It can be easy and fun.
Exactly. It's a great way to practice English. So today we will talk about English conversation at a restaurant.
That's a great topic. But first, everyone, please remember to subscribe to our channel, English Arsenal.
Yes, and give this video a like if you are hungry like Jenny, and share it with your friends and family. It helps us a lot.
Yes, it does. Thank you, everyone. So, Josh, a restaurant. I am at the door. What do I say?
Good question. You go in and you see the host or the waiter. You smile and say, hello, or hi.
Hello. Simple. I can do that.
Yes, you can. Then you need a table. So you can say, a table for two, please.
Ah, a table for two, please, if it is me and you.
Exactly. Or a table for three, please. So a table for, and then the number of people.
That's right. Simple. A table for one, please, if you are alone. Okay. Hello. A table for one, please. And the waiter says...
The waiter will smile and say, this way, please. Or follow me, please.
And I follow the waiter to my table.
Yes. You sit down. What is the first thing you want, Josh?
Before the food, you need the menu.
Ah, yes, right. How do I ask for the menu in English? You can say, can I have the menu, please?
Can I have the menu, please? That is very polite. Please is a very good word to use.
Okay, I have the menu. I see starters, main courses, desserts, and drinks.
Starters are the small food you eat first. Main course is the big food, right? The principal dish.
Yes, exactly. And dessert is the sweet food you eat at the end. Drinks are things like water, juice, or soda. Perfect.
So the waiter comes. What does he say?
He will probably ask, are you ready to order?
Are you ready to order? And I can say, yes, I am. Or you can say, just a minute, please.
That's very useful. Okay, but I am ready, so I say, yes, I am. Now it's time to order your food.
How do I say it?
A more polite way is, I would like, or I'll have.
I would like. So I can say, I would like the hamburger, please.
That is perfect. Okay, I would like the hamburger. You said, I'll have.
Yes, I'll have. You can say, I'll have the hamburger, please. It sounds very natural.
So let's practice. I am the waiter. Hello, are you ready to order?
Yes, I am. I would like the tomato soup to start, please.
Okay, tomato soup. And for your main course?
I'll have the hamburger, please.
Excellent choice. And would you like anything to drink?
I would like a soda, please.
Perfect. The waiter might repeat the order.
And you can just say, yes, that's right, thank you.
Then the food arrives. The waiter says, enjoy your meal.
Enjoy your meal. And I say, thank you.
During the meal, the waiter might ask, is everything okay?
And I can say, yes, it's delicious. Or, yes, everything is great, thank you.
What if I need more water?
You say, excuse me. Then you say, can I have some more water, please?
Can I have some more water, please? This is very useful. The key words are please and thank you.
Okay, I finish. What about dessert?
The waiter might ask, Would you like to see the dessert menu?
And I say, yes, please.
When the waiter comes back, you say, I would like the chocolate cake, please.
Perfect. Now it's time to pay.
The bill. You say, excuse me. Then you can say, can I have the bill, please? Or the check, please.
Bill or check? Okay, so the bill, please, is fine.
The waiter brings the price. You can say, do you take credit cards?
Good tip. And when I give the money, I can say, here you are.
Here you are. Very natural. You are ready to go.
Yes. As you leave, you can smile and say, thank you. Goodbye.
That's a nice way to end. Let's do a very fast role play. You are the waiter. I am the customer.
Great idea. Hello, sir. Welcome.
Hello. A table for one, please.
Of course. This way, please. Here is your table.
Thank you. Can I see the menu, please?
Certainly. Here you are. Are you ready to order?
Yes, I am. I would like the chicken with vegetables, please.
Excellent choice. Anything to drink?
Yes, I'll have a glass of water, please.
Perfect. I'll be right back with your drink.
Thank you. Wow, Jenny, you are doing so well.
This is fun. The food arrives. Enjoy your meal.
Thank you. It looks great.
Is everything okay?
Yes, it's delicious. Thank you.
Let me know if you need anything. So, you finished your food.
Yes, I am finished. Now I need to pay. Excuse me,
Yes, sir.
can I have the bill, please?
Of course, right away. Here is your bill.
Thank you. Here you are.
Thank you, sir. Here is your card and your receipt.
Thank you for everything. Goodbye.
Goodbye. Have a great day. Wow! That was the whole thing. It seems so simple now.
It is simple. The phrases are short and easy to remember. A table for, can I have, I would like, and the bill, please.
And always please and thank you. I feel more confident now. I think I can go to a restaurant and order in English.
I know you can, Jenny. Just start simple. Order something you know.
That's a good idea. Keep it simple and smile. A smile is understood in every language.
A smile and please. That's my new strategy.
It's a perfect strategy. What about you, Josh? What is your favorite food to order at a restaurant?
Ooh, I love pasta. Pasta with tomato sauce is my favorite.
A classic choice. What about you, Jenny?
I really like pizza. A big pizza with cheese and mushrooms. Now I'm thinking about pizza.
See, we always end up hungry on this podcast. But I hope our conversation today was helpful for everyone listening.
I hope so too. Remember, practice is important. You can even practice at home with a friend.
Yes, one person is the waiter and one person is the customer. It really helps.
It does. And don't be afraid to make mistakes. People are usually very friendly and will help you.
That's the most important tip, Josh. Just try.
So I think that's a lot of great information for one episode.
I agree. It was a delicious episode. That is all the time we have for today. Thank you all so much for listening.
Yes, thank you. We hope you feel more ready to visit a restaurant and order in English. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, English Arsenal.
And please share this episode with anyone who is learning English.
And for today's comment, please tell us, what is your favorite food to order at a restaurant? I want to read the comments.
Tell us your favorite food. Let us know. We look forward to reading your answers. Thank you again for joining us.
Until next time, keep practicing and keep smiling.
Goodbye, everyone.
Bye for now.